our state government, the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, has declared war on the Kuki community, terming us as poppy planters and narco-terrorists. And because of that, the state government, the machinery of all the state government has been fighting against our community, and we are being termed as militants again. While we are defending, while our husbands, our sons, and our brothers are defending our people, they are being termed as militants. And today is a day of condolence because we have lost so many lives. We have lost our dear husbands. We have lost our brothers. We have lost our dear sons. And we condole those family members. And not only our community, we condole the family members of the Meitei community because we know that many of them have lost their sons, their brothers, and their husbands. And after 25 days, the Home Minister came to visit with us. And today is the 45th. More than 45 days have gone, and we are very saddened by the fact that not a word has been uttered until now by our Honorable Prime Minister of India. We are very saddened. There is no one to help us on this earth, and there is no one to cover us. There is no one to support us in this time. And this is Gamgipai, and our brothers and our sons and our husbands are on duty day and night, in the rain and shine, under the heat of the sun, under the with all the mosquito bites and everything. They are there day in and day out, trying to protect us from attacks, from our I don't want to say enemy because we don't have enemies, but those people who are trying to kill us, attack us day in and day out, they are planning every night and day to attack with us and to protect us from all these attacks. Our husbands and our sons and our brothers are out there, and we are feeling sorry for that one. And there is no one on this earth to come and say a word for us. And today is a day of prayer for us. So this stretch of land, we have been threatened by the leader of Meitei Lipun that they are going to wipe this stretch of land clean of all Kuki communities. And we are praying to God because we have God, and only God is there to protect us. Only God can save us from this threat, from these attacks. And we believe that God will answer our prayers because every land belongs to God, and God has given us this land to settle here from many years ago, even our grandfathers and forefathers. And we believe that we will continue to inhabit this stretch of land until the day of the Lord.